Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ariba and I am working over here as demonstrator of optometry. Secondly, I am coordinating this campus with Salim campus and Lahore campus. So basically, I am coordinator of optometry over here. So it's our first batch in this campus and first camp going so well. We are dealing diseases and refraction purposes. Basically, it's a screening camp. So we are referring the patients of refraction into different setups according to the affordability of the patients. So I'm referring to Allied, to the people who are not affording, and to Chenwan Road in our clinic. We are providing them by decreasing their fee over there. So I'm facilitating them. The fee over there is 500, but they will pay half of it over there. तो बाकी ये है कि पेशेंट लोड यहाँ पे फ़र्स्ट टाइम है कैंप यहाँ पे आइस रिलेटेड, लेकिन पेशेंट लोड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह काफ़ी बेहतर है और स्टूडेंट्स को सीखने को मिल रहा है. तो होप फॉर द बेस्ट कि नेक्स्ट टाइम भी इस तरह के कैंप होते रहें, लोगों को हम फैसिलिटेट करते रहें.